A fixer-upper looks like a deal until it's not. Let's talk about how to choose wisely. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann. One of the biggest questions buyers face, especially in the Hudson Valley, is whether to buy a fixer-upper or a move-in ready home. Both have advantages, both can be smart, and both can turn into money pits if you're not prepared. So today, I'll help you break it down clearly, how to decide which one is really right for you. The case for fixer-uppers. Fixer-uppers often list below market value, giving you a chance to build equity through renovation. If you're handy or have renovation experience, you can customize and increase long-term value. The key, understand the true cost of updates, not just the sticker price. A fixer is only a win if the math works. The risk of fixer-uppers. Renovations almost always cost more and take longer than expected. Hidden issues, electrical, foundation, or permits can add stress and expense fast. If you're financing, know that some loans may not cover homes needing major repairs. Expect surprises and budget for them. The case for move-in ready homes. Move-in ready homes let you focus on living, not renovating. They're ideal for first-time buyers, families, or anyone short on time. Yes, you might pay a premium up front, but the trade-off is peace of mind and predictability. You pay for convenience and that's okay. The middle ground, light cosmetic work. Some homes need only paint, fixtures, or floors, the sweet spot between value and effort. If you're open to light updates, you can often find homes that others overlook. That's where hidden gems live. Light cosmetic projects equal best return on investment per dollar. How to choose what's right for you. Ask yourself 3 questions. Do I have the time and patience for renovations? Do I have extra budget beyond the purchase price? Am I comfortable living in a work zone? Your honest answers reveal which path fits your lifestyle. The right home fits your life, not just your wallet. If you'd like my fixer versus move-in ready worksheet, download it below. It helps you compare both side by side. And if you're shopping in the Hudson Valley, let's talk. I can help you spot which homes are worth the work and which to skip. Subscribe for more local buyer insight every week.